Hey guys, how's it going? Cassie here from Personal Income and coming to you all the way from Laguna Beach in California. You may just go through the glimpses of the video which I've taken before, but as you can see, right in the background is the beautiful Laguna Beach area. See that? Just amazing. So, I was asked this question a few days ago by one of the Instagram followers of mine if I'm gonna be settling down here in LA, in Los Angeles. So the thing is, I won't be settling down, but I'll be traveling often from now on because I'm gonna open one of my offices out here. I'm also gonna get into real estate developments, and I'm also gonna open a group of holding company which is basically gonna be used for taking mortgage loans from the bank, and we're gonna use that money to invest in several properties around California. Yeah, I have already bought a couple of properties in Anaheim, all right, and the next plan will be to keep investing in different cities like Sacramento, San Jose, San Diego, and so on, all right. So that's about it, guys. So far I'm enjoying my trip. It's been an amazing journey, and let's see how much more we can keep building and expanding our businesses and our companies out here. All right, guys, so continue enjoying the show, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you do not miss my videos.